Today on Glory and Beauty, I'm going to show you how to make the classic and timeless granny square. It's what crochet is well known for, and rightfully so. Its uniqueness to the craft of crochet cannot be overstated. To begin round 1, we're going to make a magic ring. To make a magic ring, you're going to take your yarn and wrap it around your pointer and your middle finger 3 times. Then you'll take your hook and insert it under all 3 wraps. Grab that 3rd wrap and pull it under the other 2. Then you'll turn your hand, insert your hook under the tail, and pull through the loop on your hook to chain. Then you'll chain 3. This chain 3 counts as the first double crochet. Next, we're going to place 2 double crochet into our magic ring. And then chain 2. And then you're going to place 3 double crochet into your magic ring and chain 2. You'll 3 double crochet and chain 2 more times. And there it is. You've got these 3 double crochet clusters, 4 of them, in your magic ring, all split up by chain 2 spaces. Now we're going to close our ring. To close our ring, we're going to tug on the tail. You'll notice that only 1 loop comes down. To get that other loop to come down, we're going to gently tug on the left side of this inner loop until that loop disappears completely. And then pull the tail tight to bring the other loop down. And there, we've closed our ring. Let's slip stitch to join now. Put the loop back on your hook and find the top of your first double crochet. Insert your hook, yarn over and slip stitch, and tighten your join. You'll chain 1 and bind off. And there is round 1 of your granny square. For round 2, we're going to pull up a loop in any color you'd like. I'm going to use pink. Then you'll chain 3. This chain 3 counts as your first double crochet. You're going to place 2 double crochet in that same space. This is going to make your first 3 double crochet cluster. In the next corner, you're going to place 3 double crochet, then chain 2, and then 3 double crochet, all in that same corner. And from now on, for your granny square, each corner will have 3 double crochet a chain 2, and 3 double crochet. So here is your first corner of your next round. The chain 2 is what makes it a corner. You're going to repeat this for the next 2 corners. 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet in each corner. When you get back to the start, you'll just do 3 double crochet and a chain 2 because you already have your first cluster there. And then you'll slip stitch to join to the 3rd chain of that first double crochet you made. Chain 1 and then bind off. And that completes your second round. So we've done round 1 and round 2. Now we're going to work on round 3. I'm going to use blue. You can change the color if you would like. You'll notice you have new spaces. In addition to the corners, now you have 1 space between each corner. In each of those corners, you're going to place your 3 double crochet, chain 2, and 3 double crochet. But in those spaces, you'll just put 1 3 double crochet cluster. To get started, pull up a loop in any corner and chain 3. Remember, this chain 3 counts as your first double crochet, so you only need to put 2 more double crochet to make this first cluster. You'll do all of this in the same corner space. Next, we're going to place 3 double crochet in that next new space that we made. Now we're back at the corner. So again, 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet. You'll continue all the way around, placing 3 double crochet in each new space and 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet in each corner. When you arrive at the first corner, all you have to do is place 3 double crochet and chain 2. Then you'll slip stitch to join to the 3rd chain of that first double crochet you made. And that completes round 3. Now for the fourth round, I want to keep the color blue. If you want to change color, you can bind off and pull up the loop on your new color. However, if you want to keep the same color, simply chain 3 and turn your work around. There's no need to bind off. This chain 3 counts as your first double crochet. So you'll place 2 double crochet in that space. Then chain 2 and place 3 more double crochet in that same space to make your first corner. And there is our first corner of round 4. Now you'll notice we have 2 spaces now between each corner. And with each round, there's always going to be 1 new space. Let's put 3 double crochet in each space. And the instructions for the corners remain the same. 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet in each corner. You'll repeat in the same manner all the way around your square. This time when you arrive at the beginning, you'll slip stitch to join to the top of the first double crochet you made. You can keep going as much as you'd like. Crochet cannot be imitated by machine. Knit can, but crochet cannot. The granny square is even more special because it's so unique to crochet and it requires highly skilled, talented, loving human hands to make one. If you just made a granny square, then you embarked on a very special activity that not many can or ever will do. I'm just saying. And there it is, the lovely, traditional, classic, timeless granny square. Until next time, keep on making things for glory and for beauty.